Gracie, are you ready to tell us what you did today? Yeah? First off, how old are you? How old are you today? 13 weeks? You passed the 3-month mark. So hard to believe. And what did you do today? Oh, really? You went for a walk with Mom? Yeah, and who did you walk with? Your friend James? Yeah, James is only 4 days younger than you are. And Courtney? Miss Courtney? Yeah, and it was fun. Say it was fun. We had a good time. Yeah. Have anything else to say to the peeps? Oh, that's good. I'm sure they will appreciate that. Okay, time to eat your arm. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You're very excited. Say bye-bye. Something's gonna happen. Okay, just heavy breathing. Bye, everybody.